A van with a plan, a very important one.
Everything is based on the census.
And getting that word out to the Haitian community is crucial so that their participation in being counted is increased.
We can help the applications, we can help them to the process, because it is very important to us that everybody is counted, because we are one New Yorker, we are one family.
Perez Laksama runs Life of Hope Center. They're hard at work overcoming reluctance to be counted, especially among immigrants in Brooklyn and Queens. Getting special attention, the Haitian community. In the last census 10 years ago, only 30% were counted. Now the number is over 50%. Laksama says his group has contacted more than 2,000 people.
As today, it's still hard for us to still get everybody involved, engaged, because they have fear, and then the COVID make it worse now.
Fears immigration agents could get a hold of the information, historically rooted distrust for the government, pandemic quarantining, and fears over the government and landlords knowing how many people are living in one home have all prevented people from signing up for the census. The second group working on this, Haitian Americans United for Progress, says it's also a lack of understanding, which is what these groups are trying to fix by speaking one-on-one.
Once you break that barrier, once you're able to connect with people as fellow immigrants, the barrier just comes down.
Another issue, the census deadline, which was moved up to September 30th, a month earlier than originally announced. Volunteer Harold Dosk explains despite the issues, representation is vital.
It's not about ICE, it's not about immigration, it's not about the administration, it's about the next 10 years of allocation and services.
Census numbers determine funding for local schools, hospitals, and roads. It also helps businesses decide where to build factories, offices, and stores, and even shows developers where to build and what neighborhoods to fix up.
But everybody needs to be counted for the census in order to have better services, better allocation in our state and our city, and to serve the people.
The two groups will continue their outreach until the deadline. Anyone who has yet to be counted can log on to 2020census.gov. If you don't have internet access, you can call at 844-330-2020, or for the Haitian Creole option, 844-477-2020. In Manhattan, Emily Druby, Currents News. If you're watching Currents News on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell to get instant updates about all of our newest content, because we are putting your faith in the news.